Hi moms! Welcome back to Nest&Nature. Today we're diving into a common question for pet-loving parents. Is it safe for pets to be around your baby? And when is the best time to introduce them? We'll go over the benefits, potential risks, and step-by-step tips to make sure everyone feels safe and happy in your home. Let's start with the benefits of having pets around your child. Research shows that growing up with pets can help strengthen a child's immune system and build empathy and social skills. Pets can be wonderful companions for your little one, offering comfort and helping them learn compassion. But we need to be cautious because babies are still very fragile, and pets may not fully understand how to interact with them just yet. With the right precautions, your pet and baby can have a great relationship as they grow together. Let's go over some steps for introducing them safely. So, when is the right time to introduce pets to your baby? Ideally, you can start introducing your baby and pet once your baby is a few months old and can hold their head up. By this time, your baby is more alert and can start recognizing faces, including your pet's. It's a good idea to observe your pet's behavior around the baby. Watch for any signs of stress or curiosity, and keep interactions brief and positive. One of the most helpful things you can do is prepare your pet before the baby arrives. Get them used to baby sounds and smells. You can play recordings of baby noises at a low volume so your pet isn't startled when they first hear a real baby cry. Another tip is to bring home something with the baby's scent from the hospital, like a blanket or onesie, before the official introduction. This helps your pet adjust to the new scent in a safe way. Now let's talk about the first introduction. Choose a quiet time when both the pet and the baby are calm. Hold your baby securely in your arms and allow your pet to sniff them from a safe distance. Praise and reward your pet for calm behavior to reinforce positive associations. If you notice any signs of stress, like growling, raised fur, or backing away, it's okay to give your pet some space. This can be a slow process, and it's important to go at a pace that's comfortable for both your pet and your baby. Next, let's talk about boundaries. It's essential to teach your pet that certain areas are off limits, like the crib or play area. Creating safe zones helps your pet understand where they're welcome and where they should stay away from. A baby gate can be helpful for keeping spaces separate when needed. It's also a good idea to teach your baby, as they get older, to be gentle with your pet. You can model this by showing them how to softly pet or talk to the pet, avoiding grabbing or pulling fur. Remember, supervision is key. Always watch closely when your pet and baby are together. Even the most gentle pets can get nervous or excited around young children, and accidents can happen in an instant. By supervising, you can ensure both your baby and pet feel secure. If you ever need to step out of the room, separate your baby and pet until you can return. It's best to play it safe, especially in these early months of interaction. Positive reinforcement is a great tool for keeping interactions safe and pleasant. Reward your pet with treats, affection, and praise when they behave calmly around the baby. This helps your pet see the baby as a positive part of the family. If you notice any unwanted behavior like jumping or barking, gently redirect their attention with a toy or a command. With consistency, your pet will learn how to behave calmly around the baby. It's also important to know the signs of stress or discomfort in your pet. If you notice growling, snapping, or any signs of aggression, it's okay to take a step back and give your pet some space. Consult with a professional trainer or your vet if you're concerned about your pet's behavior. They can offer guidance on how to safely manage the relationship. Remember, some pets may take longer to adjust, and that's perfectly normal. With time, patience, and the right approach, most pets learn to be gentle and caring companions for your little one. And there you have it. With a little preparation and patience, you can create a safe, loving environment for both your baby and your pet. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe to Nest&Nature for more parenting and pet tips. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck with this new and exciting chapter.